what minerals today? Not from on 7th grade, but the dietary minerals.
So minerals are inorganic dietary compounds. They're naturally occurring, so you find them in nature, and they're very necessary. If you don't have minerals, you might notice that, if you don't have sufficient amount of minerals, you might notice that you will have deficiencies such as anemia, bad hair loss, and white spots and nails are also signs of mineral deficiency.
Okay, so 36 types of minerals, only 19 are absolutely imperative to have in your diet. So minerals don't contain any calories, unlike fats and proteins and carbohydrates.
And there are two main types of minerals. There are macrominerals, which include minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and these are the minerals you need in large amounts.
Microminerals, on the other hand, are required in much smaller amounts, and your body only needs about 10 milligrams per day.
And there are two main ways minerals help your body. There's one, it helps with your body structure and your cell stability. So, for example, calcium helps. Sufficient amount of calcium helps you have healthy and strong bones, and iron helps with the blood cell production.
Dietary minerals also help regulate chemical processes in your body, such as sodium and potassium help the nervous system in terms of the nerves and electrolytes. Chromium helps your blood glucose levels, and many minerals that help hemoglobin in your blood as well. And selenium helps antioxidant, act as an antioxidant. So macrominerals are also known as electrolytes because they are mainly part of your nervous system. Macrominerals are known as electrolytes because they dissolve underwater and they create these charges. The atoms are charged to create ions, which then create an electrical impulse to send nerves around your body.
Now we're going to go through some examples of macrominerals. The first is marvelous magnesium, and the function of magnesium is to keep your teeth, bone, and tissue healthy, and to transport other nutrients. You can get magnesium from dark leafy green vegetables, avocados, chocolate, tofu, and whole grain.
Another example of a macromineral or an electrolyte is potassium. Potassium helps your body with fluid balance and nerve stimulation, and a lot of potassium is obtainable from bananas, grapefruits, cantaloupe, poultry, dairy products, and orange juice.
The third example of macrominerals are calcium, which also helps with bone and teeth maintenance. It also acts as a hormone stimulator and helps with the absorption of vitamin B12. You can get it from yogurt, cheese, milk, Kylon, and salmon.
So trace minerals or microminerals are the minerals needed in lesser amounts that we mentioned before, and these minerals really just help regulation of the nutrients and should be taken in small amounts. Excessive consumption of these minerals can be hazardous to health, and unless it's prescribed by a doctor because you have a substantial deficiency, it's not really recommended that you take more than 10 milligrams per day.
But it's also equally important to have those 10 milligrams. The first example of a micromineral is iron, and this helps. Iron is necessary because it helps with red blood cell production, and it's one of the things you need during pregnancy. You can get it from spinach, legumes, beans, and mollusks.
Another example is zinc. So this really helps with DNA and RNA synthesis. You learn about it in like mobile or something. It helps with protein and insulin production, promotes smell and taste, and it's really obtainable from high protein foods that were mentioned by Hugo.
So during this presentation, just to sum everything up, we talked about why minerals are important. And despite what some old school doctors think, minerals are very important in everyday life, and you need to get a sufficient amount. If you don't get a sufficient amount, that can result in deficiencies, and you don't want deficiencies.
So please keep in mind the differences between macro minerals and micro minerals, how we need them for the regulation of our body, and most importantly, just consume healthy amounts of dietary minerals instead of collecting lots